Begin by settling into a comfortable position. Notice the support beneath you, the gentle weight of your body resting. Take a slow, full breath in. And as you exhale, release any obvious tension, softening into this moment. With your next breath, imagine drawing in peace. Exhale through your mouth, letting go of any tightness, as if you're blowing away scattered leaves. Releasing what no longer serves you. Breathe in deeply once more. And exhale with a quiet sigh. Feeling your body grow heavier, more at ease. Now, let your breathing soften, natural, unhurried. As I guide your awareness through each part of your body, simply invite relaxation to unfold. Just allow the word release to gently dissolve any tension you find. Bring your attention to your feet. Release. Ankles. Release. Calves. Release. Knees. Release. Thighs. Release. Hips and pelvis. Release. Lower back. Release. Abdomen. Release. Chest. Release. Shoulders. Release. Upper arms. Release. Elbows. Release. Forearms. Release. Hands and fingers. Release. Neck. Release. Jaw. Release. Forehead. Release. Your entire head. Release. Pause here for a moment and scan your body for any lingering tightness. Offer those areas another breath, another gentle release. Now, deepen your calm with mindful breathing. Choose a simple anchor phrase, perhaps peace in as you inhale and ease out as you exhale. Let these words guide you into deeper stillness. Now follow along with my voice for a few cycles, then continue silently on your own. Peace in, inhale. Ease out, exhale. Peace in, ease out. Peace in, ease out. Now continue this rhythm for several breaths on your own. Notice how your mind grows quieter, your body more deeply relaxed. This is your natural state. Calm, open, undisturbed. Rest here a little longer, wrapped in this tranquility. When you're ready, gently return. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch lightly. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs, and exhale fully. Carry this serenity with you as you reawaken, refreshed, centered, and ready to move through your day with quiet clarity.